Time now for We Needed This. We focus on feel-good stories that really uplift our spirits.
And today's story is truly an inspiring one. A daughter landed on the perfect career to pursue, and in doing so, pushed her mom to go after her dream.
Denise Koch introduces us to the duo, proving that it's never too late to go after what you want.
When you walk into a patient's room, the first thing you need to do is check their wristband.
Inside the home health room at Notre Dame of Maryland University's Elkridge campus.
When we do these, the little prongs, they look like bullhorns. They go up the nose and back into the airway. So you put them like this.
Nursing student Jody Hicks shows her daughter Danielle what she's learned.
Since I was a kid, I wanted to be a nurse. My dad was an EMT and a fireman, and I loved hearing his stories.
She pursued marketing and communications instead and focused on raising her children.
There were a couple of times along the way I thought, I'm going to go back to nursing school. But that was not very easy, having 4 small kids still at home.
Now, all grown up, her daughter landed on a career to pursue.
And I told my parents, I was like, I think I'm going to go into nursing.
And she wanted her mom to do it with her.
When we do that, we're just looking for the pupillary reaction.
It's a nice suggestion.
Yeah.
I'd always heard her talk about nursing school, and I was grateful she stayed home with us, was able to homeschool and stuff like that. But it's like you can't give up on that dream.
Originally, they planned to do everything together, but settled on different schools, still pursuing the same goal.
I'm listening to her talk about pathophysiology. She's doing anatomy and physiology actually right now, and so we'll study together. She'll ask me questions, and I'm like, ooh, I just learned that. I'll try and remember. And yes, EKGs, we've been talking about that.
Now wrapping up her 3rd semester.
May I listen to your heart?
Jody is set to graduate this August from the Accelerated Nursing Program at Notre Dame of Maryland.
This is very unusual to have a mother and daughter at the same time.
Kathleen Wisser is the Dean of the School of Nursing.
Going back to school, that's a big decision for anyone.
She says the rigorous 15-month program is meant to meet a critical need for nurses.
By 2032, Maryland's going to be in the top 5 states for nursing shortage. After the pandemic, so that would have been about 2021, is that there was an exodus of many of our seasoned nurses.
You can hold here.
Jody and Danielle are hoping to help fill that need. Danielle's nursing program officially begins in August as Jody's comes to an end.
I can't believe how happy I am, even amongst the busyness and the stress. I can feel that the end is near. I can see this desire that I've had to learn being fulfilled.
And if you have a dream, they have a message.
Just do it. Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's the biggest thing. Just if you have that dream and goal, yeah, start looking into it and go after it, because you never know how those paths will open up, and it's absolutely possible.
On your corner in Elkridge, I'm Denise Koch for WJZ.